Wondering what my channel is about, I shouldn't be scratching myself. What is up, YouTube? My name is Adroldana. Thank you so much for coming by, stopping by my channel and looking at my content and seeing what I'm about. So today you guessed it, I am dropping another video of, you know what, sneakers. So many of you guys know what sneakers dropped yesterday morning. But if you don't, there were the one and only, the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Bred Toe. That is the official name, but people just call it the Bred Toe, I guess. I don't know. Some people even called it like the Bred Top 3s or something like that. I was like, I don't know. But if you don't know what shoes I'm talking about, these shoes resembled the shattered backboards, but in a red colorway, if you want to go with that. If you don't know what I'm talking about these shoes. Yeah, those are called the shattered backboards. Let me stop talking and let me like present the shoe. So from packaging, let me just put them right there. You got it. So these are a size, what size are these, honestly? These are, smells so good. These are a size 7. These are actually my boy Alex Roseller's. If you're watching, shout out to you for letting me borrow these to make this review. I bought mine, I already resold them, but regardless, let's get ready to it, guys. So I'm gonna just put the box away. I'm gonna put my laptop down. Right off the bat, looking at it, I already can tell that the leather is different from the other ones, because the leather is very soft, very soft, and I think the shattered backboards were the same. I don't see any defects, just like maybe a little glue, but overall this is a solid shoe. Just one thing that I would complain about would be the leather, but I mean, the retros, like, OGs are always going to be OGs, and they're always going to have the best materials. But yeah, made in China. We have some dates: 7/5/17, 8/29/17. I'm not gonna give you the UPC because that's dumb. I want you guys to see inside. Kinda. Time out. So many of you guys know that I have a clothing brand. Yeah, duh, who doesn't know that? If you don't know that, where you been at? But anyways, guys, the last day to buy some merch from the old collection, from the collection that is out right now, will be on March 23rd. March 23rd, okay? That's in a couple of weeks. That's gonna be the last day. Other than that, you will not be able to get this hoodie. This hoodie is fire, or the hats, or anything that's on the website. Alright, after that, I'm shutting it down, and then late April, we're gonna be releasing the next collection. But yeah, guys, anyways, yeah, let's get back to the video. I have nothing bad to say about these shoes, to be honest. I'm just gonna compare them to my Bred ones. So right off the bat, when comparison, obviously the leather is different. Is like, you could definitely see a difference in the leather, at least in the toe box. There's like a little overhang on the, a little weird, but this is on the band ones. There's like a little weird, not gap, but like gap. Oh, this is a defect on mine. Wow, I didn't even see these. So the only difference that I see between these two is obviously the leather, but I think that's the way that these came out. These are exactly like the shattered backboards, but in the red colorway. Like, the leather is more of a, has more of a relaxed crease finish than a fine cut finish, and that's fine, but I didn't cop them. But all in all, it's a great shoe. They're ones, they're retro ones. People love them. When we were on the line, shout out to my boy I Find Malt. We were camping with him. Shout out to my boy Edwin. Shout out to George. Shout out to Lewis. Shout out to Fatima too. We were all there. We were all posted up. We were the first ones in line, and we got our pair. We secured a bag. So shout out to you guys. Guys, like I said, I really want to do more shoe reviews. So if you have any shoe review in mind, just comment down below, and as always guys, like and subscribe, shout me out, share my videos as well guys, I really appreciate it. And shout out to my boy Concepts. He's a rapper, and I met him tonight, Saturday night, and he just told me that he watches my videos. So shout out to you, my man. Links to his like music is gonna be down below. I'm gonna play a little track in the end of my video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Peace out.
Outside looking in, don't nobody wanna come and open the door. Dirt on my jeans, bare feet on the floor. I've been walking all night, you can see that I'm sore, but I've been here before. Y'all don't seem to recollect, wanna keep me in check, as if I'm missing a step, pushing me down the stairs, hoping I land on my neck. Only reason you care because you think I'm a threat. See, I've been chilling with the blind and they see me. Y'all don't got time for me, only wanna tweet and watch TV. How you